Hey guys, Richard here from Carstone Security. So what we got today is a Volvo XC90 R design, and what we've installed on this vehicle is a Thinkware Q800 PRO front and rear dash cam. And I should just show you the front dash cam here. It's beautifully installed, and the rear dash cam at the back. So the way this camera works, it actually connects to your smartphone, so you can view all videos and live view the phone, live view the camera from the phone. So I'm just going to show you now how the system works. So as you can see, you can watch it live from your smartphone, and you can also switch to the rear camera. As you can see, that's a rear camera. This system also comes with additional features such as lane departure warnings and also speed camera warnings, and also it's also got parking mode. So when you turn the car off, it will go into parking mode, and that will record anything that happens while your car's parked up, such as accidents, or if anyone touches your car, it will record that. And you can obviously set it to however you like. And yeah, this camera is really good. If you want something like this installed on your car, just give us a shout or call us on 0208 554 5554. Thank you.